I hold the door and please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Can't we just turn this into reality? 'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can save me from this crazy world we live in. And I know it could happen. 'Cause you know that I've been feeling you. I know you want me to.